When I was a kid, I thought the heart looked like this. And then a biology teacher drew the diagram and killed my childhood. Welcome to Random YouTube Celebrity Presents The Human Heart and Double Circulation. Yes, one free with the other. Let's pump it up.
Step 1. Draw a big U, and inside this big U, draw 2 thin hearts. Don't join the lines of the heart. Instead, from the lines, make these elastic bands like this. Leave space in one of the sides of each heart and in the middle as well, like it is being done here.
Step 2. From the left heart, draw a tube from the space you left on the side all the way up and make these to the wall-like structures called valves and divide it further. One side should be directed towards the right side and one towards the left.
Step 3. From the right heart, draw another tube from the side space and take it all the way up. And don't forget these walls. Time to fill the middle spaces that we left.
Step 4. Now on the right, draw a curve like how it's being done in the video. And these two curves on the opposite sides. Yeah, you're doing it right.
Step 5. Similarly, make curves on the opposite sides of the left heart. Such a curvy heart makes my heart skip a beat.
My heart will go on
It's labeling time.
One important thing. In the heart diagram, your left is your right and your right is your left. Kindly curse the textbook and not us for this.
So now the left heart will be called the right ventricle and the right heart will be called the left ventricle. And the space above the right ventricle will be the right atrium and the one above the left ventricle will be the left atrium, of course. The tubes that you draw at the ends of the amoeba-like structure on your left, that is above the right ventricle, will be called the vena cava from the lower body, and the second one on top will be called the vena cava from the upper body.
The tubes on the side of the left ventricle at the ends of the amoeba-like structure are the pulmonary veins.
You also, something or the other you have to forget.
And may I ask, what is it, madam?
The arrows! Keep marking the arrows as I speak, depicting the blood flow. The blood flows in from the vena cava, from the upper body and the lower body into the right atrium and then goes in the right ventricle.
From the right ventricle, it goes into the pulmonary arteries. Then blood enters the heart again from the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. It flows into the left ventricle and then exits the heart through the aorta.
So, vena cava to the right atrium to right ventricle to pulmonary arteries and then pulmonary vein to left atrium to left ventricle to aorta. Yeah, that's how it's done. Pulmonary swag!
Okay, so now comes a double circulation diagram. This one is comparatively easier, or so I hope.
Step 1. You start by drawing a rough diagram of the heart we drew.
Step 2. Now you draw the pulmonary vein and artery that we drew in the height diagram. So a tube from here, another from here, and now you can connect these tubes to a net. Let's do the labeling side by side to avoid waste of time. So that is the pulmonary artery to lungs and that is the pulmonary vein from lungs. And the net is lung capillaries.
Step 3. Now comes the vena cava and the aorta. So you draw the vena cava like this, big tube extended down. Similarly, draw another tube from the other side. This is the aorta. So you join them to the net, label the aorta to body and vena cava from body. Remember which is from and which is to because that is very important. And the net shows the capillaries in body organs apart from lungs.
Step 4. The arrows are the most important part of the whole diagram. An arrow going upwards in the pulmonary artery and one going downwards in the pulmonary vein.
Then one going from the heart into the aorta and one from the aorta to the body. Both obviously point downwards. In the end, draw one in vena cava from body and one from vena cava into the heart. These of course point upwards.
With that, we're done. See, I told you guys this is easy. Useless humor dispersed is inversely proportional to information distributed. Hence proved. Please, please, please like, share and subscribe. Please, please, please.